All right, good morning, everybody. We are back for another session with the International Race Cars All-Wheel Drive Class 1. We are in Hammertown, actually Lasertown. Just got out here, drove out here from San Diego. Smooth drive. Looks like everyone's still sleeping, so we're going to go out and test the Class 1 today. Kyle's coming out, so super pumped. Let's see how it goes. Just drove out from King of the Hammers to another part of Johnson Valley. Jason and team are unloading the all-wheel drive Class 1. The goal today is to put about 50 miles on it, see how it does, so stick around and find out. Buggy's warming up, got my helmet, ready to go for another lap with Kyle. Fired up, let's go.
Yeah. I know.
Is he gonna come through here, you think?
Probably.
Mock chicken?
I don't know what his plan is other than do about 3 pull laps.
once again, what amazing experience to sit next to Kyle as he puts the Class 1 through its paces. That machine's amazing. I don't know if I can explain how well it handles. I just can't. It's amazing. All right, Jason, since the last time we were out, tell us about some of the changes that went into the Class 1.
Redid the shock package. So pretty much everything. New springs up front, new valving, new pistons, bunch of stuff, pretty much on all the shocks. We did go back up on our converter, so we went to a higher stall, and then we redid some brake stuff. So yeah, that's in essence what we're testing today. Oil coolers too, yeah. We reworked the oil cooling system, and we're already seeing positive results from that.
Awesome.
So.
Kyle, based on those changes, how does it feel?
I like the stall. The stall put it in the power band. I didn't feel like I would get into fifth gear and couldn't pull fifth. Now I was doing much better in fifth gear. I actually never touched sixth gear.
Okay.
So that's something we'll have to decide.
Where were you at on this side?
Going up, we're like 110.
Okay.
It's all the track can handle, two good
Yeah.
turns. But coming down, about 116. And
In fifth?
In fifth, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I almost feel sometimes that first gear it could even be a little lower. Yeah.
Okay.
Which is just food for thought. But steering's good, brakes are good, and the temps are absolutely being managed much better than the last Moore race. So I'm happy.
Yeah.
50 miles of flawless testing continuously, not stopping and starting. So we really got this thing hot, and it did it. So that's what we wanted.
Yeah.
Jason, what's the next steps for getting this out racing?
Prep it, send it to Parker.
So when are you racing?
A few weeks.
Next week.
Yeah.
Next week.
Oh, yeah, 2 weeks, roughly. Yeah.
Exciting. First big one, Parker 500.
Yep.
That's 4 laps in Parker, and that is no slouch. So we're excited.
Awesome. Anything else you guys want to add?
All good?
No, I think today's a good day. It's nice to see all the little adjustments moving in the right direction.
All right, that's it for this test session out in Johnson Valley. You just heard Kyle and Jason go through the buggy and how it's working and the changes they've done. Super pumped. Racing in Parker in a couple weeks, so hopefully we'll see how that thing does. Hopefully get a first place. Keep my fingers crossed, you never know. But based on Kyle's race last couple weeks ago, I think we're in good hands. All right, I want to thank Jason and the team for having me out. We'll see you next time.